Ngicela kubingelela indlu yonke. Namuhla igama lami ngigcina Dlamini. I'm the head coach of Manzini Wanderers FC. Manzini Wanderers, I think siyayilungiselela le game. Sisengayiqedzi igame lenkulu kakhulu kithi le. And nasibathi siyabuka siyabala sibuka ngazuthi lo asikake sawina le season but sibuka ngathi singayiwina le. Kukhona leli sikubonile lesicansi kumbe masitha siwine le game le. So umuntu nje bekangacela acele kuma fans kakhulu la ukuthi sicela manje libe maroon ledolobha bizabe maroon namavuso bamgcwalise beke basupport abafana. Sicabanga ukuthi angeke size siba disappoint. Enye lomunye umuntu bekangasho ukuthi egcina usithatha phela lesibili singaka umusha la teamini. Ngingasho nje ukuthi maybe the hard way is new, but I believe that the software is very old. So the software has been here before, and ngidlala ne-team umngani wami Yamada umngani wami sike sadlala before. Angisho ukuthi ngiyamshaya but nje ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngiyati lokuthi ngizofika ngendeni kuphi abantu babukele ibhola bayi-enjoy. Sengingacela nje ukuthi egcineni konke noma ngabe ama-results akasifeki thini abaqhubeke basisupport batiphathe kahle. Batiphathe kahle so that i-sponsor sitojabula ngathi. Kepha-ke vele bengaqhubeka ngibanxuse lo-support in their big numbers. Kukhona lezi sibalungisele bona. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Ukuthi egameni yakhe yokuqala ungadibana nemabana ayingazi. Wesibili ngilandelaniso lombuto ukuthi ingabe vele ukuthi uhlala phansi noManagement njengamanzini Wanderers yathi le target yakho ukufika lapha emanzini Wanderers ukuthi ufuna ufike relegation, ufuna ungena ku-top 8 noma ufuna ungena top 4. It's le target but siqale kule ukuthi akudabini too soon ufika kumanzini Wanderers.
No, ngiyayibonga le question yakho. Ngicabanga ukuthi I've been around for some time. Ngicabanga ukuthi kube kumbe ngicashe ngeSaturday ngegame eSunday bengaba too soon, but inyalo ngicabanga nginaye namuhla nakusasa to work on certain things yale game. Kuyangenda nami futhi lokuthi ngitelana ngicabanga ukuthi ngibone ukuthi nginelithuba lelikhulu ngina-90% yokuyiwina le game le. Kube bekungilenye team ngenye bekutaba i-problem but lena ngicabanga ngina-90% kwamathuba okuyiwina. So ngibone ngazuthi this is the right time to start so that ngitokhona kuyiwina le game le. Then coming to your second question, as a coach for the past 4 years, nawubuka ngivama ukucetha 36 points nje as a coach noma ngasuka kwenye team nawahlanganisa lama points and 36. So in Swaziland nawuthole 36 points ngicabanga ukuthi last year with Illovo ngithole 36 ngakucetha ngenumber 6. Nanyalo la Wanderers ngicabanga ukuthi ngamthola 36 even 38 nawubala. But bona bebathi bacela a top 8 finish. But nangibuka mina top 6 finish is possible. Quite honestly, I might be pushing this too high, but I believe that a top 6 finish is possible. Thank you.
Any other questions from the media? Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm sorry for Coach. Maybe we leaded the team before we trade for the first few games. What I will need is Mobona will team capabilities and team Joe will see our potential which was 6 foot. What can you say about this team by
Okay, letinye tintong tatisho nge-respect lenkulu for the past technical bench. But nangiyibuka mina ngibuke kuma-friendly games ayo ngayibona e-trade fair. Maybe nakuligi ngiyibukele once or twice. Ngikhanza ine-potential lenkulu. ukuthi ingaqedza le top 6 with the support from everyone and the patience, because we all know what happened last season. The team was inactive. So nasingaba patient, everybody be patient with it. Kakhulu lama supporters, even the management. See, in as much as we do expect it to idlale kahle, but let us not expect things to be done soon. So nasingayibeketelela ngicabanga ukuthi khona lengasinika khona. But now bathi uyayibuka ngisho ama games ayo lewadlalile, ubuka ngisho ama friendly games ayo lewadlalile. Although akusi isolated to Manzini Wanderers in the country, siyitela amagoli. Nangayibuka nje idlalile, sidlale kathathu, ishaya igoli linye. So that is an area immediately lekufuna ukuthi ngizame kuyilungisa mina ukuthi nasingamane nje sithole linye, nasithole linye then we should be home and dry. But yeah, kuncane longathi maybe kuyashota kule ndzaba yegoli. Ngaphandle kwalokho the team is fine.
Question. Susa ukuba bona bafana ngabe yini psychological preparation so bathula just like thola kahle results sekuthi ingabe sebenza nje ezinye kanjani bamotivate kanjani.
Okay, maybe kuleya kami question ngibabonile nyalo ekuseni. Ngibakhanze I was expecting ukuthi ngawukhanza badlali laba down ngemoral. Ngibakhanze ba okay. Although khona bengulungisile ngawuchubeka nabo in the afternoon. But ngibakhanze ba okay in terms of moral yabo ne focus yabo. Sekungaba nje ukuthi bese ngisamba mase ngiyabuya ngifaka ama testers as a person ukuthi ngabe lokhu kunjani. But in terms of inanjana, in terms of confidence level yabo is high. And nabo bangithembisile ukuthi coaches that welcome ngale win on Sunday. Ngiyajabula nje nakathi na babe Mavuso nabo bata sponsor ibhola nathi sitaba-sponsor ibhola. Futhi itaba mnandi le game. The people will be sweating, people will be jumping on their seats. Thank you.